you search for how to buy shares of Bunzl. Bunzl is a distributor of packaging, hygiene, and safety products listed on the LSE PLC under the ticker BNZL.L. This is an educational guide and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account. We use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you will normally need to verify your account, typically by uploading an identity document, and then add funds to your account before buying. Use the platform search field and enter the ticker BNZL.L to find Bunzl. Select the listing that indicates the London Stock Exchange to ensure you have the correct stock. On the Bunzl asset page, review basic company information and the price chart to confirm this is the right listing. Check the exchange and ticker again to avoid similar names. To invest, click Buy, choose the amount you want to invest, then review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, the order will execute when trading reopens, and the platform will ask you to add funds if your balance is insufficient before confirming. Your Bunzl position will appear in your portfolio once executed. For convenience, the eToro link is in the description if you want to explore the platform used in this walkthrough.